Hi everybody, George with Corevist here. I'm going to show you how to save a cart in Corevist Commerce. This is a great way to save yourself some time for orders that you place again and again. It's also really easy. So I'm in the cart here and I have this order built. This is something I'm going to reorder once a month and I want to make that easy for myself. With the order built, I just scroll down to save a cart, click that and give it a name, monthly reorder. Save. Now it's been saved, and just for the purposes of demonstration, I'm going to delete these items. So the cart is empty. Now if you want to load a saved cart, you're going to go up to Manage Carts. Scroll down here. So here's monthly reorder, the one I just created. Just click Activate. And there you go. It's been imported into the cart, all 3 line items. And if you want, you can change the quantity now or anything else that you need to change on the order before you place it. Update the cart. And now you're ready to place your order. And it's really that easy.